Alrighty, mga bag-ong bulkabularyo para kanamo. Kini nga video para kaninyong tanan nga makakat-on og bag-ong bulkabularyo nga kuan nga mas laglum sa Binisaya o sa Cebuanon. Ang ikausa malaw-ay, kani nga malaw-ay sa in English it's offensive, vulgar, or obscure. So if you can, it can be used as an adjective saying ang malaw ay nga salida or malaw ay nga tan-awon o malaw ay nga video is like it's like a very vulgar video or a pornographic video, very obscure and offensive, something like that, right? Something that's very offensive, very controversial. Right? Malaw ay is that root word. Ang ikaduha, patak. Ang patak murag taligsik nga kuan nakalat ang kuan ng mga tubig o bisan unsay kuan unsay tubig diha. It's like splatter of liquids and whatever, right? Patak, taligsik. It's like sprinkles and splatters of fluids. Lulho, lulho o lulho is the root word. Lulhoa is the action, right? And it means to roll up your sleeves or your clothes, right? So if you're walking in floods or something, you can roll up your jeans, right, from your feet, or you can roll up your sleeves when you're washing dishes from your arms. You're just rolling up your sleeves, whether it's in the arms or the feet. Our next one is essay. An essay is gumalasay, right? Gumalasay. This is more for the advanced people. Gumalasay, like if you're writing poetry, prose, essays, your thesis, right? When you're doing your research, gumalasay is an essay or some sort of exposition that you wrote for some sort of argument out there. Agipo, kani ang kuan agipo is the ember, right? Remember, so when you're burning wood, katong mga pula sa kahoy nga init kaayo pero dili pa human, kana ang agipo o sa in English ember. It's the wood that was burning, that you see the embers there that can still start the fire. Inig human ang kalayo kanang mga init nga kalandrakas nga kuan nga kahoy, nay agipo, kanang agipo kana ang ember sa in English. Kani mohon kanang mga bato sa utlanan nga it's in English it's rock cairn, or the landmark stones that can define a border. Utlanan is what we say as border, right? So it's your landmark, right? Where the border is, or where you're marking a border. Mohon is that word, that's the word for the stone, right? So kana ang mohon usa ka klaseng nga bato. Ang bato nga tipong nga bato nga para sa utlanan sa yuta, right? It's a stone used for a landmark, for like some sort of border or some sort of like territory that you can use, or like a rock cairn that you can tell about something. Kapudpudan parehas ni sa kapuloan, right? They both mean the same thing. Kalandrakas, kani miscellaneous, or just anything that's just different types of things that are just out and about, messed around, just things that are just like scattered, things that are just different kinds of, all sorts of different kinds of things, miscellaneous things that are just clustered out and about, right? Kalandrakas, the stress is there, right? Kalandrakas, meaning miscellaneous, or just any miscellaneous, or just extraneous, or whatever, like objects out there. It's just like a mess of different objects, so to speak. Talidhay, kani sige katawa. It's a prolonged laughter, right? You just laugh the night away, Talidhay sila. Nagtalidhay ako og kuan o whoever, right? Talidhay. It's just a prolonged laughter, loud, and you just keep laughing and laughing and laughing. Kudkuran is to grate, or a grater. Actually, it's grater, but the word kud means to grate or to shred. So you can use this as like a cheese grater, or like a paper shredder, right? It's to grate something away. Kudkud is the verb, but kudkuran is the noun. Um, Next one is subida. Subida or subidahon is the action that's happening, and it's to have an incline or to have a steep uphill, like anything that has an incline to it, right? An incline that's like steep incline, whether you're hiking, nagbaktas ka sa usa ka bukid nga subidahon kaayo sa bukid, like it's really a steep mountain to climb, right? Or to hike. Um, what else can I say about this? Subida. It's just like you're going to uphill or upgrade up, right? Or to have some sort of steep uphill incline. Subida or subidahon is the action. And the last two are easy. Sintomas, which is in English similar to symptoms, and contaminado, right, which is similar to English as contaminated. Remember that ado ending, right? So they're both from Spanish borrowed words. So anyway, this is just for you advanced students. Remember, keep practicing.